guys, welcome back. This is Leena. How are you guys doing? I just hope you're doing well, and I just want to thank you guys for giving so much love and care, and there are so many views for my videos, so many subscribers, and thank you so much. So today's video is a hack video. I'm going to show you top 5 hacks of lip balm, how you can use a lip balm in 5 different ways, and it's going to be really different and unique. So let's start. So my first hack is, if you don't have an eyebrow pencil or you don't have a eyebrow gel, all you need to do is take your lip balm and apply it to your brows, and just take this brush it through. So with this, your eyebrows are going to stay in place and it will look even neat and clean. So this is my first hack. This is my second hack. Just take your lip balm and apply it on your eyelashes. And take your curler and curling your lashes will become really easy. So this is my second hack. Your eyelashes will look thicker also, and then it will curl very easily, and after this you can apply your mascara as well. So that was my second hack. Hack number 3, just take some lip balm and apply it under your eyes, like massage it really well. What this will do is you won't get wrinkles and also you won't get dark circles. So this is a really cool hack, try this. Hack number 4, if your ring's really tight and it's not coming off, all you gotta do is take your lip balm and apply it over your finger like this, and now this will make your ring come off really easily. So this is another cool hack. Hack number 5, if you don't have a highlighter, all you gotta do is take your lip balm and apply it on your nose and on your cheekbones. So this will act like a highlighter. And also if you want your eyeshadow to last for long, you can just take some lip balm, apply it, and then apply your eyeshadow. So guys, these were my top 5 lip balm hacks, and if you've liked this video, don't forget to give a thumbs up, please guys, and if you've not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, and I will see you soon. Thanks so much for watching.